So, for those of you who are curious what a portable washing machine was, this is it. So, at the moment, I have two bed sheets, one flat, one fitted in there. So, it only washes up to, where is it? So, this is the one that I bought. I bought this at Outdoor Warehouse for that much, 1,399 rands, and I'm hoping it will work for as long as I live here, and I'm hoping it doesn't like eat up a lot of my electricity. So it says here it's for camping, caravaning, whatever. But because my apartment is very small, like my flat is tiny, I can't fit a full washing machine. So I had to buy something very tiny. And right now it's going. And when it's done, I'm gonna drain it into there and throw it in the shower. I think soon I'm gonna like buy an extension cord and just put it in the shower and let it drain out in the shower. I think so, because really, how am I gonna get it down from there? And then it has that tiny dish to spin. I don't think the sheets will fit in there, so yeah, we'll see.